Now, what do we mean by the negative of a vector? So, if I have a vector a bar, which starts from this point and goes to that point, points in this direction. This is one of my vectors. In fact, I would like to ask you a question here. If this is the point A, this is the point B. What can I denote this vector as? Yes, you're right. I can denote this as a vector AB bar, because AB bar is a vector which starts from A and goes to B. But nevertheless, I'm not using this AB bar. I'm telling that okay, this vector is A bar, right? I can name it any way, like the way I want. So, if this is my vector A bar, the question is, what does minus A bar look like? Because that is what you mean by a negative of a vector, right? You have a vector, you take its negative, and then you question yourself as to how the negative looks like. So it's very simple, there's no complication involved. Instead of going from A to B, the vector will now point in the exact opposite direction. So what did this negative sign do? What did the negative sign do? Just think for a while, just look at these two vectors and think what the negative sign did. Yeah, you're right. It changed or it reversed the direction. So, did the negative sign cause any change in magnitude? The answer is no. It did not cause any change in magnitude. The magnitude remained as it was. If it was 10 units before, even now it will remain 10 units. There will be no change in the magnitude. But what changes? The direction is changed, right? That is why the vector also has changed, because if any of direction or magnitude, even if both or even if one of these two quantities change, I will say the vector has changed and now I have a new vector. So here also, negative of a vector is obviously a new vector. It is not the old vector. But why is it new? Has its magnitude changed? No. What has changed? Its direction has changed. Its direction has not just changed, it has got reversed. So if it was pointing in that direction, negative will point in this direction, right? Whatever your direction is, just move 180 degree opposite, and that is the direction of the negative of a vector. So that's all that the negative of a vector is. In fact, I can also write something like this: AB bar is equals to minus BA bar. Now, does this make sense to you? AB bar is equals to minus BA bar, because AB bar is a vector, which starts from AB bar is a vector which starts from the point A and goes to the point B, isn't it? What will BA bar be? BA bar will be a vector which will start from the point B and go to the point A. What is minus BA bar? If this is BA bar, then what is minus BA bar? Minus BA bar will be, so this is your AB bar, this was your BA bar, right? What is minus BA bar will be? It will start from A and it will go to B. Now you can see this and this first vector and the third vector, they are the same, right? So I can say AB bar is equals to minus BA bar. So with this, we've completed the negative of vectors topic. Let's move on to what are parallel vectors.